It's a basic test of an EBL225 and an LT500 control panel. We've got leisure battery volts coming in the front, vehicle battery, these are both the sense voltages, and in the back we have the power circuits from the leisure battery and the vehicle battery. Now turn on the power to the batteries. Control panel does a self-test of all the LEDs. Unit is now off with the 12-volt light off. We can now switch the unit on. You hear a big click from the EBL as the relay comes in. We can measure vehicle battery voltage, which in this case is about 13 volts. And we can also do the same with leisure. When you first click the leisure battery, you get percentage of battery charge. Then you get current that's being drawn. And then finally you get voltage, which in this case is the same because they're both being fed by the same supply. And to switch it off, similar thing, you hear the click from the EBL as the relay switches off.